Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer life coverage with MassMutual, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring life coverage with MassMutual, gather all necessary documents related to your current policy. Access the MassMutual website and log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Policies section. Locate the life insurance policy you wish to transfer. Click on the policy details to review the coverage and beneficiaries. Select the option for transfer coverage or change policy owner. Fill out the required information in the transfer form. Make sure to provide the new owner's details as requested. Review the policy terms and any fees associated with the transfer. Confirm that all information entered is accurate before submitting the form. Submit the transfer request electronically. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email acknowledging your request. Keep an eye on your email for additional communication from MassMutual regarding the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, review the new policy documents carefully. Check that the beneficiaries and coverage amounts are updated as needed. If you have any questions during the process, contact MassMutual's customer service for assistance. This concludes the transfer process for your life coverage with MassMutual. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.